Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Telegram to your phone. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So in case you are using Apple Store or Play Store, whichever one you are using, so what you have to do is for you to go over to it and go over to search, and what you have to do is for you to search in Telegram, and this Telegram over here, and here you have to go over to the app which is showing Telegram Messenger. Over here that is written updates, you're going to see download over there, so you just have to tap in the download and you'll be able to download Telegram straight to your phone. So you just have to go over to download. You going over to it, you'll be able to download Telegram straight to your phone, and when it's done downloading, you just have to go over to create an account on Telegram. So guys, this is how you'll be able to download Telegram for your Apple Store or your Play Store. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.